In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Twitter or X account. This process is similar for both iOS and Android devices. Just be sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up X app. Then make sure you are signed into your X account, and then all you have to do is just tap at your profile picture at the top left corner. Then expand Settings and Support by tapping on it. After that, get into Settings and Privacy. And that's where at the very top we need to tap at Your Account. After that, we'll be taken to that page where towards the very bottom we can easily find Deactivate Your Account. Once we get into Deactivate Your Account, we'll be able to deactivate our account for 30 days. To do that, we need to scroll down where we can easily find Deactivate. So now I'm gonna tap on it. It asks me to confirm deactivation with my account's password, and then we'll be able to hit right here at Deactivate button. And what that will do, that will deactivate my account for 30 days. Within that 30 days, we can reactivate our account simply by logging into that account. However, after 30 days has passed, our account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.